DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Gang, 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 gang. Gang, what's good, YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is now. Dan back in a lot. Yes, man, YouTube gang, you see what I do today. We're back and fully active, don't it? Yes, man, we're there with another reaction. Another banger, hopefully. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than the Spartan bosses. Man, so we're there with Tamale Sparta and Tug Famous. They're on a 7.7. Yes, so I check it out and see where that did. Tamale seems to be remaining consistent and dropping bangers after the whole clash between Massacre. Glad to see it. I did think that the clash did wake up back old school. Tamale, you see me, Uncle Demon, Tamale them time there. You see me, the darker Tamale, even though Tamale been there. You see me, come on, I can wake him up. Because I feel like Tamale was a bit sleeping since he came out of prison, in my opinion. But I feel like this clash kind of wake him up in a certain sense. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, and yeah, we here for it, man. But yeah, man, we're not going to provide much longer. We'll jump right now. Before we do that, hit the like and subscribe button. Gang, remember, we're active, we're growing over here, man. I almost said thank you. I appreciate y'all. Yes, me, Tamale Sparta, Tug Famous 7.7. Let's get it.
You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me. You need...
Y'all ain't got the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me. You need people to punish and that's the bad guy. That's the bad guy. Let's get it.
People like me so you can point your fucking fingers and say that's the bad guy.
Yeah, because Scarface. Yeah, one of the best movies to ever made of all time. Listen, me, no, I never watched this video. But I know Scarface. You feel me? You need people like me to punish it. That's the bad guy. You know what I'm saying? You say hello to my little friend. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Wagwan famous. Some boy feel like them too rough. Some boy feel like them too tough. So go and rise up the thing, make it post. Mata.
So Tamale, I show out the next new gen artist. And that's how go on.
Leave him in him. Yes, sir. Humbuckler. Dark, yeah. 7.7 me and a kid. Pull up on the pussy, make the end of the traffic. Everything out of the Mark 19, I go get it. Tell them flow badness, just forget it.
Sparta pull up for them and a lick a fireball. Boy try run it, but my fling him na wall. Catch him on the corner, we run out and never stall. Let me say feel let him have it, let me let him.
But my fling him in a blood wall, you out away, I run go. You know how the source I say, but my beat. You know the wall, you're gone, boy. Well, Make we hear what say Tug Famous I say. Make we hear.
Rise up the thing, make it post. My dog. Leave him in him. Yes, sir. Humbuckler.
Buckley, that's a evening name. I tell you something, we go about all Tamale. Hey.
Dark, yeah.
7.7 me and a kid. Pull up on the pussy, make the end of the traffic. Everything out of the Mark 19, I go get it.
7.7 we are not kitting up, pull up on him in a traffic. What?
Flow badness, just forget it.
Sparta pull up for them and a lick a fireball. Boy try run it, but my fling him na wall.
Sparta pull up on him and a lick a fireball. Boy try run it, but my fling him in a wall. I up to them. Where you run, boy? Blood to you. Yes, man.
Catch him on the corner, we run out and never stall. Let me say feel let him have it, let me let him have it all.
Murder we are.
Oh, catch up on the corner, dog. You think say we gonna stall? No, sir. Run out of dog. When they say let him have it, we mean everything in the clip. You get it. About everything. Rinse out empty.
Murder them, vote them bad. Suck your mother, we not heard of them. Yeah. Load up the rifle and touch on the road again.
Suck your mother, you. We not heard of you. We don't know. We don't know if I know where. We don't know if I'm nowhere, boy. We don't know nothing about the badness and the goodness from you. Who is you? We don't know you from nowhere. Move up.
Load up the rifle and touch on the road again. You and your friend, them dead from them to the beds.
Make a boy, me no laugh with people. My dark and evil Sparta, man, them pull up in the
dead friend, see Benz, man. I got a luxurious crime and I did. Dog, we have to get a little towaway vehicle, man. You have to get a little pro box. I want to go Swift. You see me and say, maybe I'm a X, but you know, you can't use a good car them for them sitting there. You don't want to. Be yourself.
And touch on the road again. You and your friend, them dead from them to the beds.
Make a boy, me no laugh with people. My dark and evil Sparta, man, them pull up in the unmarked vehicle. Everything in my face.
Laugh with people dark and evil and pull up my unmarked youth. I'm here, man. Know what time it is when it unmarked.
Get out of the fucking needle. Big gun in my wrist and I'm a fucking needle.
Send them down inna the ground. Tell them pass have a sing them a sad
6
song
foot
down
6.
inna the ground.
6 foot 60 man says send no long in the blood clean ground.
Everything up a flat when the hammer start bang. Me say bang in the hammer. The look of focus him gonna start run. So me fling him down a ground.
Gonna start road, so we fling your grung you out. Have you?
Index finger work till he numb.
Yo, my dog, what do them dog? Pull up on the men's not the rental. Cap 19, extension. Coulda never mind name, them a mention.
Come 19 now, your extension, bro. If you mean you mention now, extension clip on your blood clip, boy. Aren't you?
19, extension. Coulda never mind name, them a mention.
Any pussy tie this we have to bury in the dirt. And me I tell them who can hear I got blood clot bail and learn.
Then they got chat when my dogs them rage. Pull up on the men on a 6 foot deep. Meaning on the past time,
Don't tell me 6 foot deep, you know, man. And I go long in the ground, in the dirt, you know.
never feeding on the middle of the night to hear the tell them squeak up. Drive by, ride by. Hi guys. Good night.
Drive by, ride by. Hi, guys. Plug it. Good night, boy. Good freaking night. How do you ever sleep? What is that play on me? Hey, come on. Drive by.
I hear I got blood clot bail and learn.
Then they got chat when my dogs them rage. Pull up on the men on a 6 foot deep. Meaning on the past time, me never feeding on the middle of the night to hear the tell them squeak up. Drive by, ride by. Hi guys. Good night. Put it through the window.
Drive by, ride by. Hi, guys. Good night.
Bye. Hi guys.
Lord, is that family?
Drive by, ride by. Hi guys. Good night. Put it through the window. Me shot 5. Molly just pop and me blood clot.
Easy. Dirt them. All tear man left.
Down inna the ground. Tell the boss have to sing them a sad song down inna the ground. Everything up a flat when the hammer start bang. Me say bang in the hammer.
Bang, we are
The
bang.
look of focus him gonna start run. So me fling him down a ground. Index finger work till he numb. Vine 7 me and a kid. Pull up on the pussy, make the end of the traffic. Everything out of the Mach 19, I go get it. Tell them flow badness, just forget it.
Sparta full of fire, man, I like a fireball. Boy, try run it, but my fling him now wall. Catch him on the corner, we run out and never stall. Let me say, feel let him have it, let me let him have it all.
Murder,
Don't you?
we a murder them. Bout them bad, suck your mother, we no heard of them. Load up the rifle and touch on the road again. You and your friend, them dead from them to the bends.
Like a boy, me no laugh with people, my dark and evil. Sparta, man, them pull up in the and my vehicle. Everything in my forget out of the fucking eagle. Big gun in my wrist and I'm a fucking eagle.
Down inna the ground. Tell them pass have to sing them a sad song down inna the ground. Everything up a flat when the hammer start bang. Me say bang in the hammer. The look of focus him gonna start run. So me fling him down a ground. Index finger work till he numb.
Index finger work till he numb. Come to them, man. Family, Sparta, Lord Clean, and Talk Famous. It's a good look. It's a good look. Liking the vibe, liking the energy, guys. Let me know what y'all think about that one, man. Yeah, if you know what I'm saying? I feel like the Sparta boss did this thing, bro. I guess I push out another new artist, Talk Famous. Big up him, big up the himself, family. Yes, me I like that. I guess he's out of the Sparta camp. I guess we gotta keep eyes and see what's going on. But yeah, man, people, know anything about the one in the comment section. As me I say, Tamale did this thing. Talk Famous did this thing. Mark Dog Entertainment, I guess, produces. It's a good track. It's a debut from Talk Famous, I'm guessing. Yes, me can keep an eye on him. But you don't know, Tamale always a doing thing. As me I say, drive by, ride by. Hi guys. Good night. Hey, that bad. You see me catch you live like that. You see me I say. Yeah, but yeah, man, let me know one thing in the comment section, guys. You see me dropping no reaction, dropping no comments, dropping no quests, all that good stuff you don't know about boss fully done, fully active. You see me? Back and fully active on that period road. You see me I say, gang, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for rocking with your boy. Till next time, have a good night. You see me I say? I'm out.
Oh, no, play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shut up selector boy.